Welcome to kisansanchar.org. Today we'll learn how to use Kisan Sanchar portal for posting the messages. This is the login page of Kisan Sanchar. On the right hand side you can see the login box. Please type your username and password and click submit to login. You are being directed to your home page. This is your home page. The cursor will take you through various tabs on the upper part of the page. The first one is Write Message. When you click it, a list of all your posts that you have sent till date will appear. You can view them and use them for future references. To write a new message, click on Write Message tab on right hand side of the page. Here a pop-up will appear asking you to select the channel of propagation. First we'll see SMS. You can choose the language you want to send the message in. There are 4 options: Devanagari, Gurumukhi, Gujarati and English. Choose your preferred language and start typing the message in Roman. It will automatically get converted to your chosen language. Now copy the message and paste it below in the space given as shown. Now choose the date on which you want to broadcast the message. Choose the category to which your message belongs: organic, conventional, general, news. If you are not sure, select all. Choose message category, that is the domain to which your message belongs. Example: cereals, pulses, vegetables. If you are not sure, click miscellaneous. Suppose you select vegetables. It will have subcategory as peas, tomato, potato, capsicum, etc. That is a whole range of vegetables. Choose your vegetable. Here we have a facility of SMS idea where there are SMS templates already stored in the portal for you to choose from. You need to enter the category and subcategory and the list of messages will appear. You can directly choose the message and paste it. Click on Submit to post the message. The message will go to Kisan Sanchar admin panel. From there it will be sent to farmers through your chosen channel. Where SMS has a word limit of 150 characters, the mobile app has no such restriction. Rest all the steps are same as in case of SMS. Now we'll look at some other tabs. View subscriber. When you click on it, a list of all the farmers that are registered with your KVK will appear. Here you can see their particulars and mobile numbers. There is also facility to add or delete any number of farmers from your KVK. You just need to write the mail to the Kisan Sanchar admin panel. You can also download the list of farmers in the .csv format. Next facility is the Knowledge Center. It is a database of all the message ideas. Choose your category and subcategory and all the related messages will appear. You can directly copy a message from here and post it. Further, there is an option to view your bill. To view the bill of a particular time period, you can select the months and year and click search. All the messages of that particular period with bill details will appear. If you will click print, your invoice will be generated. Now you have the facility to change your password. Click on Change Password tab. A pop-up box will appear asking if you want to submit a request for changing the password. If you click on OK, the request will sent to Kisan Sanchar admin panel and admin will contact you for the same.